Puro perfect flow ahí. Oh, totaled the truck, man. Shit, part out. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are basically installing Glassparency Ultimate Glass Protection Windshield Kit. This kit, I got it a while back. It's just I could not install it because the windshield was very broken, and well, you guys knew it was pretty messed up. So anyways, we got the Glassparency windshield. What it includes: a glass application, maintenance formula, the cream, and so I'm gonna leave the link down below where I saw this video how to do this. It was from Pan the Organ, and I've learned a lot of tips and tricks from his channel as well. So I will leave the link down below so you guys can go check it out, subscribe to him, and follow along his channel for a lot of tips on detailing and on detailing products. A clay bar, and I'm going to get a water bottle with some just water and soap, and I'm going to spray it across here, clay the windshield, and then we'll go ahead and that'll be our first step actually. Then after that, you're gonna go ahead and get, once it's all dry, you're gonna go ahead and get your sponge and your cream cleanser bottle as well. Go ahead and do the same for the other side. Go ahead and buff it out. All right guys, so now let's check out the hydrophobic properties on this. Check that out. It basically looks like it's been some type of ceramic coat, but check out the hydrophobic properties on this. Very, very cool. Water runs off right away. And this is pretty good when you are out in rain and, you know, kind of diminishes the use of the windshield wipers. Now, I'm not saying just stop using them. Go ahead and use them, but this really does help out like when it's raining. Check that out. Man, it's actually very satisfying seeing this water like this. All right guys, so I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want your very own Glassparency kit. They're not very expensive. They're very attainable, and you can go ahead and get your very own. Now this kit does come with the maintenance formula for the treated glass. I'm assuming you could keep buying it, and that way you can keep maintaining your windshield, but it definitely makes a huge difference. Now I was kind of wondering about adding it to the rear window, but I'm not sure about that yet. But I know for sure, for a fact, we're going to be adding it for those two cars right there. And definitely once they have new windshields, because of course, as you can see there, that one has a crack right there, and the SUV has a crack as well. But since I'm not in a rush to get those done, we're just gonna go ahead and leave it like that for now. All right guys, so I know it was a very short video, but that concludes our video for the day. Glassparency, thank you guys for making an awesome product. And thank you, Pan, the organizer. You're awesome, dude. Keep going. Keep doing what you're doing. I always watch your channel for sure, just to get little tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a like, share, comment, subscribe for more videos. And as always, see you all on the next one.